Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to replace ink cartridges in a HP Envy 6120. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So, first thing we need to do is open up the lid of the printer. Now you've got the scanner on top, but then just below that you'll find some recesses on either side, which you put your fingers into and lift, and it takes up the entire scanner bed, exposing the inside of the printer. Now, as you can see, the printer itself has realized that we've lifted the lid of the printer and has exposed the ink cartridges there. So we just identify which cartridge we need. It's marked on the cradle, the tricolour and the black there, but it should be pretty obvious, as both HP and most remanufactured or compatible cartridges will stick to this very distinct coloured lids to identify which is which. Now, to remove the cartridge, we simply press down on the front. You see, it comes down, tilts its angle a little there. We can just slide the cartridge out. Then we just take our replacement. I'm not going to bother because there's nothing wrong with this cartridge, but if this is a new cartridge to you, make sure you've removed any protective packaging that may have come on it. There'll sometimes be shipping clips which protect the delicate print head on the front, which you'll need to remove, and quite often coloured tape with like a paper tamp that will need to be peeled off that will cover these contacts, sometimes even found on the side of the cartridge. So make sure those are gone. Then we can pop the cartridge back in and gently place it in there, again at that angle. We're just going to lift it up till we hear a click, which indicates it's there and firmly in place. Now you can repeat this process for the other cartridge, obviously. It's exactly the same, regardless of which one you're changing. Then we just gently lower the top of the printer again, and it'll take a look at them, make sure it's perfectly happy, and assuming that's the case, return you to the main menu of the printer. Now this printer won't be shy if it does detect any issues with the cartridges, but hopefully you found yourself in the same position as me. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.